Hallo Kinder, Herr Win here. I miss you, and I'm sorry I can't be at school right now. I am with family, and I appreciate so much that you are doing your best in German class to take in as much as you can with the assignments that I'm giving you on these activity boards. But I would like to introduce to you or uh, bring to your review German pronouns and German verbs, and so how they work and how they conjugate with German pronouns. It's very different from English pronouns. So, see if you can remember some of these pronouns and verbs for the activity that I'll be assigning to you after this. You can always come back to this video and repeat. Okay, so the first pronoun is ich. That's ich. You may have heard this before or may remember from class. The second pronoun is du. That's you, du. Third pronoun or third set of three is sie, es, and that means he, she, or it. Sie, es. So we have ich, I, du, you, or sie, es, he, she, and it. What do these all have in common? Well, are they plural or singular? They're singular. They refer to one person. I, you, he, she, or it. What person are each of these pronouns? Ich. All right, so what person am I talking in if I say I, ich? Du, sie, es, he, she, it. Well, first person is I or ich. Second person is du or you. And third person is sie, es, or he, she, or it. So we're learning the first, second, and third person pronouns in German. On the left side, we have different verbs. As you know, those are action words. The first one is kommen, to come. The second one is gehen, to go. The third one is singen. This is a cognate. Can you guess what that means? Singen, to sing. The fourth one is spielen, to play. Dann haben wir lernen. Can you guess what lernen means? What does that look like? To learn. Wohnen, to live. And you may recognize this one from our introductions, greetings, and goodbyes. Heißen. Wie heißt du? Ich heiße Herr Win. Wie heißt du? Heißen is to be called. That's the verb we use when we're introducing ourselves or saying our names. And so in German, we conjugate the verbs according to what pronoun we have or what person we're speaking in. So conjugate means that the endings of the verbs change depending on what person we're speaking in. And so in the first person, I would conjugate all verbs or action words with an E ending. So no matter what verb we have over here, kommen, gehen, singen, spielen, lernen, wohnen, or heißen, if I'm speaking in the first person, I'll always use an E ending. So ich komme, ich gehe, I go, ich singe, I sing, ich spiele, I play, ich lerne, ich wohne, ich heiße, I'm called. Always an E ending in the first person. If I'm saying you, speaking in the second person, du, I will conjugate the verb always with the st ending. If I want to say you come, I would say du kommst. You go, du gehst. You sing, du singst. Du spielst, du lernst. du wohnst, du heißt. And finally, in the third person, er, sie, es, or he, she, it, we conjugate the verb with a T ending, always. So, he, she, it comes, I would say, er kommt, sie kommt, es kommt. Er geht, he goes. Sie singt, she sings. Es spielt, it plays. Er lernt, er wohnt, sie heißt. Always a T ending in the third person. So these are your singular first, second, and third person pronouns. I, you, he, she, it. Ich, du, er, sie, es. And then various verbs to be conjugated with each pronoun. Kommen, to come. Gehen, to go. Singen, to sing. Spielen, to play. Lernen, to learn. Wohnen, to live. Heißen, to be called. And then again, E ending if it's ich, ST ending if it's du, and T ending if it's third person, er, sie, es. All right, so try to remember that for the activity that you'll be clicking on after this instructional video. I look forward to seeing you on October 20th. Auf Wiedersehen.